All you need is cabbage, carrots, and eggs. No meat, but full of flavor. You'll taste the crunch of cabbage, the sweetness of carrots, and the rich aroma of eggs in every bite. If you want something balanced without sacrificing taste, this one's for you. Slice half a cabbage into thin shreds. Shred a carrot as well, or use a grater to make your life easier. For the garlic, I like to smash it first, then mince it. That helps release more flavor. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add a small pinch of salt and beat well. Heat some oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Pour in the eggs and gently scramble. Once they turn lightly golden, remove and set aside. Add a little more oil to the pan if needed. Sauté the garlic until fragrant. Then add the shredded carrots and cabbage. Stir fry for a few minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Return the eggs to the pan and keep stirring so everything is evenly combined. Now season with salt, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. If you don't like oyster sauce, you can just skip it. This dish only needs very simple seasoning, enough to let the ingredients speak for themselves. Keep stir-frying until everything is well blended. And that's it. Done in under 10 minutes. It's slightly sweet, fresh, and full of the toasty aroma of eggs. Simple ingredients, but surprisingly rich in flavor. Give it a try, and if you do, come back and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.